So, we got the CopperMine on Amazon. Looks kind of cool. So, let's try it out. You get instructions, and you get a couple of blades. Pretty small blades. I thought it would be like the normal ones, but okay, so you got all the different settings. I'm guessing this one's gonna go in here. So you unscrew. I'll go with that one. Then you screw it up. Tighten. Stick it through. Pair of pliers. I didn't feel like it was cutting, but I guess it is. All right. So. No problem there. Now let's try a smaller strand. Don't push too hard. Okay, it works pretty good. That's good. It goes from thick to thin, and let's see, let's try thinner. Let's try some thinner wire. Alright, let's try this again. That wire was like too soft or something. So boom, that was easy. That's better. Just don't go too deep, I guess. There you go. I guess we'll have to go one up. I guess if the outer wire is too soft, like the plastic, it doesn't go right. That worked good. Much better. I got a few more to do. Come back a bit later and see what happens. Oh, I guess it works pretty good. That's a nice wad of copper wire from just the ones I usually just throw in as insulated wire. Now I know I could just clean them up. And look at that. That's I think code number 2 copper. So instead of just throwing it in as insulated, you just strip it with this little machine. And look at that nice wad of copper. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.